Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to edit your profile information on TikTok. So first of all, you click on your TikTok app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below, you can see that they are provided with 5 icons here. The home icon, the now icon, the plus icon, which is just to create your posts on TikTok, your inbox icon, and then your profile icon. Here you click on the profile icon, which is at the bottom right. Below your profile picture, you're provided with an option that says Edit Profile. Here you click on Edit Profile, and then you can either change your photo on TikTok, you can change your username, your bio, your Instagram, and your YouTube. To edit your bio, you can just click on the bio option here, and then you can type whatever you wish to type. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.